Happy Canada Day, everyone, as our country celebrates its 143rd birthday. We are broadcasting live from downtown Vancouver.
We're in full swing here at Jack Pool Plaza, and to mark Canada Day, the Olympic cauldron is burning brightly for the first time since the Paralympic Games.
From Jack Pool Plaza in downtown Vancouver, this is CTV News. Here are Mi Jung Lee and Mike Khalid.
And a very good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining us. It is great to be broadcasting here from the center of all the Canada Day action.
Well, the Olympic cauldron is as popular as ever, especially now that you can get up close. Now, this is just one of the highlights of Canada Day celebrations.
CTV's Val Bratch has been checking out the parties all across the province. She's on the plaza this afternoon. Hi, Val.
Hi, there are parties like this all across the province, and this one got started early this morning. As you can see right now behind me, there are thousands of people, and they've been filing in and out of the downtown core here, taking a look at the cauldron, getting as close as they can. So let's show you some pictures from earlier today, where we saw thousands of people pouring into downtown Vancouver to celebrate Canada's 143rd birthday. There was lots to take in, from street performers to getting a first-hand look at the work of our Canadian forces. A lot of red and white in the crowds, and a lot of people saying it reminded them of the Olympics.
I think the Olympics make quite a difference. Yeah, I think we're feeling more Canadianized than ever, more patriotic, a whole bit.
Great crowd here on Jack Pool Plaza this afternoon. Hard to believe that it's been 3 months since the Paralympics ended and the cauldron was snuffed out.
But as you can see behind us, it is burning again, fired up this morning as part of the Canada Day celebrations. Leah Hendry is at the cauldron. Leah?
There's been a lot of changes to that cauldron since the Olympics. Namely, that big fence that used to be around it is long gone, and much to the delight of Vancouverites and tourists, you can actually get up close and personal to the cauldron. Christine Batui and her friends got up at 5:45 in the morning to be here. Psyched to be among some of the first to see the Olympic cauldron relit.
Well, the Olympics was so amazing, and it was like our favorite 2 weeks, so we kind of like wanted to like recreate it a bit.
The excitement was contagious. This girl, decked out in her boots from the Olympic opening ceremonies, says the flame brings back tons of memories.
Walking down the street, just random people high-fiving you, singing "O Canada," I made so many friends from all over the world.
The cauldron is part of the Canadian collective memory, lit in dramatic fashion for the first time by hockey legend Wayne Gretzky. And then there was all that controversy over the ugly fence that blocked people's view. No such eyesore now, just eager fans reliving some of their best moments.
I believe in the power that comes from the world brought together as one.
The cauldron will be lit again for special occasions, but it can be yours for a special price. The corporation that actually looks after the cauldron, they say that any corporations that come and have conventions here can relight it, but the starting price, $10,000. Mi Jung.
All right, well, it's great to have that fence down. Thanks a lot, Leah.
After a bit of a slump, tourism is once again on the rise in Vancouver, and the Winter Olympics is a big reason for that.
The Olympic cauldron is just one of the attractions more people are coming to see. Tourism is already up 6% so far this year compared to 2009.
$1 million has been spent on a post-games marketing campaign, but the biggest challenge is still ahead.